Good morning all. First, let us start today. We are talking about February 2020 questions of vectors, HSC class 12. So these two questions are asked in Feb 2020. Yesterday also one question I explained. So 3 questions asked in Feb 2020. So 3 questions yesterday, 1 question is completed. Now 2 questions are remain. The first question is, show that the points A, B, C are coplanar. When we can say points are coplanar? If their box is 0, the vector's box is 0. So what you have to do here, simple thing, you have a points in the space, like here A is equal to you have 2 comma 1 comma minus 1, B is equal to you have 0 comma minus 1 comma 0, C is equal to, you can take anywhere, okay, it's not necessary. C is equal to you have 4 comma 0 comma 4 and D is equal to you have 2 comma 0 comma 1. You can take anywhere here. So when you are taking like this, now when we can say these points are coplanar, if you join any 2 points you get a vector. If you join any 2 points you get a vector. If you join any 2 points you get a vector. You can join any 2 points like this. So you need to do what here? If these are the vectors, then what we can do, their box must be 0. So first we are finding the vector, then we are making that box is 0. The position vector of A will be the position vector of A, that is OA, or you can take small a, you can take is a small a also. The position vector of OA is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Position vector of OB is minus j cap because I and k is 0. Position vector of OC is 4i cap, j is 0 plus 4k cap. Position vector of D is 2i cap, j is 0, so k cap. So these are the points. You can take anything. See, you get a doubt that why I am taking A, B, C, D. You can take anything. You just join them. You get a vector. 3 vectors are coplanar if their box is 0. So first you find the AB vector. First you find the AB vector. So AB vector is what? OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Any vectors you can take. It's not compulsory you have to take A, B, B, C. See, in previous I took what here? A, B, B, C, C, D I took. You can take anything. Any vectors you can take. But it should be a vector. If you join any 2 points, you get a vector. So now here, AB is equal to OB minus OA. So AB is what here? OB is what here? Minus J minus OA is what here? OA is 2i cap प्लस जे कैप माइनस के कैप. तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? माइनस 2i कैप माइनस 2j कैप माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस k कैप. So AB is over. AB is correct na? Yes, AB is right. Previously we got na AB. AB is right? AB right. Now you can take however, see sir, it's not necessary you have to take AB. You can take BD also, you can take CD also. You have to take any 3 vectors. Join any 3 points, you get any 3 vectors. You take AB, BD, CD, AC, anything you take. It's not a matter at all. So if you take AB over, now I will take, you want BD or you want AD. You just take it anything randomly you can take. Can I take AB, BC, CD or AB, AD, AC? बोलो ना सर. So AD if you are taking OD minus OA. What is OD? OD is what? Tell me OD. OD is 2i cap plus k cap minus OA is what? 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. So you get here 2 to cancel out II minus j and this minus into minus plus 2k cap you got. AD is got here like this. Now let us go for AC. AC is what here? OC minus OA. OC is what? OC is here 4i cap plus 4k cap minus OA. OA is what here? 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay. Now you can do by your own. Don't waste the time, do it. You can do it now. 4 minus 2, that is 2i cap minus j cap plus 4 plus 1, that is 5 k cap. Now you got the three vectors. So three vectors should make the box of AB. Now what I have to here? AB, AD, AC. Box of this should be 0. If the box is 0, then we can say they are coplanar. Open this. So here AB, AD, AC, box is 0, then they are coplanar. So here you get, now you take it here, that is minus 2, and you have plus 1. Okay, here you have 0, 0, minus 1, 2, and here you have 2, minus 1, 5. You take the box of this. If the box is 0, then we can say the given points are coplanar. So let us do that here. Minus 2 into, see here, minus 2 into minus into 5, minus 5 plus 1 2s are 2, and next minus into minus plus 2 into this is closed and this is closed, 0 into 5 5, minus 4 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into this is closed, row and column closed, 0 into minus 1 0, minus into minus plus 2. So what I am going to get here, minus 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 2, minus 8, minus 8 plus 2. So if you see that, plus 6 minus 8 plus 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. So you got that the box of these three vectors is, you got 0. So the points are coplanar, hence done. We have to prove that, hence we have to prove they are coplanar using the box method. So this is the vector way. We will find whether they are coplanar or not. This is 2020, Feb 2020 HSC class 12 previous year board question. See here what they have given. C and D are collinear, you have to find the x. A and B are, already I told you, A and B are non-collinear. C and D are collinear, you have to find the x. So if they are collinear, you know that C vector is equal to some lambda times some t times D vector. This is the rule for collinear. If two vectors are collinear, one vector is some lambda times another vector, or some t times. You want to take lambda or t? Lambda? Take it lambda. C is equal to some lambda times D vector. What is the C vector here? X minus 2 into A vector plus B vector is equal to lambda times, lambda times 2x plus 1 into A vector minus B vector. Keep quiet and listen, that's it. Now here you multiply this, what do you get here? You know that these two vectors are lambda times, okay, lambda times. So what I get here, x minus 2 into A vector plus B vector is equal to 2x plus 1 times lambda into A vector minus lambda into B vector. Now you have to find the lambda value first of all. So if you compare these both, so you get lambda is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to minus 1. Now if you compare these both, x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 1 into lambda you will get. Lambda value minus 1 substitute here. X minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 1 into minus 1. So what I get here, x minus 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 1. If I send this side, I get as 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 2. So 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3 is the answer. So these are the things. Now we have completed Feb 2020. Yesterday I explained right angle triangle, you remember? Right angle triangle 5x. So that was the Feb 2020 question. So we have completed all the questions from Feb 2020 to March, April 2014. All the previous questions of HSC class 12 we have completed in this chapter.